Depositing money on MEXC is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your trading account. Follow these steps to complete your deposit efficiently. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the MEXC website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Log in. Once your account is created and activated, log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have enabled two-factor authentication for added security. Step 3. Navigate to the deposit section. After logging in, find the wallet or asset section on the main dashboard. Click on Deposit to access the deposit options available for your account. Step 4. Choose your deposit method. Select your preferred deposit method from the available options such as bank transfer, credit card, or cryptocurrency transfer. Follow the instructions specific to your chosen method. Step 5. Complete the deposits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be available in your MEXC account shortly. Always double-check the details before finalizing any transactions to ensure a smooth deposit process.